Today we are going to install the new Turn Off-Road Jeep JK Tailgate Reinforcement Tire Carrier. This carrier fits the Jeep Wrangler JK 2007 through 2018 models. Installation time is around 45 to 60 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, but easier with a friend. With a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by removing these 8 factory 13mm tire carrier bolts shown here. Remove and set the tire carrier aside. This particular build only had 4 bolts installed. Next, remove these plastic body hinge covers by just lifting one end, and they pull off. Then, open the tailgate and remove the lower 2 13mm hinge bolts. Now, holding the tailgate under your arm, or with a friend's help, remove the top hinge bolts, and set the tailgate aside. Next, using a T45 Torx bit, remove these 6 hinge bolts. Then, grab the new Turn Off-Road hinge mounts, and install both upper and lower mounts. Thread in the 6 supplied 5mm Allen bolts, and tighten them down. Now, with the new tire carrier, face down on a table or bench, install the rubber die cut pads, peel the backing, align them, and stick them into place, as you see here. Next, with the tailgate face up, set the tire carrier in place on the tailgate, align all the hardware holes, and begin threading in the 8 13mm center bolts, and the 4 outer, longer 13mm bolts, and tighten down. Now, make sure to fit in the bushing sleeves, and tape up the bottom of the sleeve, so it won't fall out when installing. So, with a friend's help, pick up the tailgate, and set it in place within the new carrier hinges. Align the holes, and drop in the hinge bolts. You might have to move things around to get the hinge bolts in. You may even have to tap it in with a rubber mallet. Don't forget to remove the tape. Next, with the bolts in place, thread on the hinge bolt backing nuts. Then, tighten down the hinge hardware with an 18 and 19 mm wrench. Now, there is no adjustments to be made at the hinge end of the tailgate. All the adjusting needs to be done at the carrier and tailgate bolt up. So, let's loosen up the carrier bolts and lift up on the tailgate, latch it in place, and tighten everything down. Open and close the tailgate a few times to make sure all lines up properly, and on to the next steps. Now, grab the factory tire carrier you removed earlier, and remove these 4 T20 Torx bolts that hold the third brake light assembly in place. Then, remove the assembly, and place it into the new bracket mount for the carrier, as you see here. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, install the 4 supplied screws, as shown. Now, hold the third brake light bracket mount in place, as you see here, and thread in the 4 button head bolts, and using a 5 mm Allen bit and a 13 mm wrench on the backing nut, tighten them down. Now, set the third brake light bracket in the new bracket holder, as you see here, and install the 3 supplied bolts and backing hardware, and tighten them down, using a 4 mm Allen bit and a 10 mm wrench on the backing nut. The third brake light can be adjusted after the tire has been mounted on the carrier. Now, grab the tire mount bracket and set it in the center mounting position. This is good for an all-around tire size. Then, thread in the 18 mm bolts and tighten them down. Now, before the next step, you need to measure your tire wheel depth, and set this distance accordingly. How you do this, is by setting something flat across the tire, and measure from the bottom of the flat object, to the center of the back of the hub. That will be your stud plate measurement. Next, set in place the adjustable wheel stud plate. Set the distance figured out in the prior step, and install the 18mm side and top bolts, thread on the backing hardware, and tighten down. Now, grab your tire, and with a friend's help, lift and set the tire in place. Then, tighten down the 19mm wheel nuts. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Off-Road JK Tailgate Tire Carrier install. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.